stop. There we go. So if you find anything on this site website, you can trust 99.99% you can trust. Geeks for geeks, okay? So see, this is the formula. Okay. You can go through this website. This is very nice. This link I have pasted this link to you. And now I'll come to like, let me take Jania things first. What Jania has done, like suppose that, let me see, let me use this, our whiteboard. Whiteboard, right? I'll just go there. Where I can come, then it is a whiteboard, new whiteboard. Putting whiteboard will stop the screen share. Do you want to continue? Continue. All of you can see this, no? This whiteboard,
Yeah,
right? When I'll type, yeah. So what Jania has done, suppose that this is x-axis and this is y-axis, okay? And A is suppose that this is the A, means x1, y1. This is the A point A, and there, your mouse is moving.
Oh crap, my bad.
No problem. This is, suppose that second point B, and then I'll take third point, maybe, sorry, C. And this is x3. I have this at my home in India. What is that? The type pad.
Stylus.
Yeah, I have, but here I don't want to buy. Somebody will come from India. Oh yeah, my friend is going. My 15th of Jan, I'll get that. That's
Yeah,
good
but
too.
by the time almost time done.
Next time I will use for next set of batch. I don't think anybody else will come before that. So what she has done, she has calculated this distance. Okay, suppose that this distance is 5, and she has calculated another distance 3. So you can say AB. AB is 5 and BC is 3. She has added this one, this is 8. And now she has calculated AC, direct AC, using distance formula. You know distance formula, right? A square root equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is the distance formula, okay? So this
Recording in progress.
it's already recording. So I can see somebody has joined, Dhanvika. Who is Dhanvika?
Sir, it's my sister.
Why she has joined?
Oh no, this is my device. The Zoom just has her name.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So this formula she applied, and she calculated this one, and now it is telling, she is checking whether AB plus BC equal to AC. Okay, she checking that. So what will happen? This scenario where it will fail, I'll tell you. Randeep, why you are moving?
This happened accidentally.
This is suppose that A. Oh, sorry.
We can't see, sir. We need to zoom out, I think.
You don't see here? I can
Yeah,
see.
we can zoom out. Now you can continue.
Suppose that this is A and this is B. Oh, okay. Oh, then in that case, that's formula will also work. This AC will always be smaller. Yeah, I get that formula will also work because because this distance we can never have same distance. We'll try any other way. Yeah, that's also correct idea. Yeah, good idea. Now I can see. Did you get the understand what it is? See doing AB this distance plus this distance. Okay. She's adding AB plus BC and checking if that distance is equal to this distance. Okay, so that will happen. Yeah, so that's correct, collinear. Okay, good. But this is another formula which I shared you. That is another way to do that. And that one we read actually when we have six different coordinates. That way we have done. But here also we have six different coordinates. That's fine. Okay, great. I'll move to. Let me see how I can move to close whiteboard. Okay, so let me share my screen once again. And so that one is done. Now I'll come to Elif Randeep's question. So what's he has given me. I'll paste here. Let not. Where is it gone? Did I paste that or not? I haven't pasted. Okay, fine. Actually, we should cover nested if, then it will be clear. But anyway, let's cover here. So let us focus here then. To see that message box. Okay, I'll copy again. There we go. So here is the Randeep code, okay? So up to here is fine. I'll take some x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2 equal to 2 comma 2 3 comma 3. So radius is suppose that 0.75. Now it will check. So point is neither in the circle nor a tangent to the circle's circumference. So you can say this is just outside of the point is out of the circle. Line. So this elif, how it will be expanded? Let us expand this one, okay? This will look like this. If you expand the previous elif, it will look like this. So what is happening here? This will check first condition. If it is true, then it will execute. And you can say this all are part of else. This whole we can say is a part of, means you can say the block of else. There is something should be to freeze the screen and write here, but I need to figure out what tool we can use. So here what is happening? You can say here to here is the else block. Else block means for this else. That we need to understand from the indentation, this indentation. If this if is true, then this part will run. Okay. But if this is false, this one is false, then what will happen? It will come here inside this else. Again, it will check if this distance like is less than radius means this condition will be checked. If this is true, then it will run, and it will this else part will not execute. Okay. Yeah, Randeep, ask your question.
Sir, I can't see your cursor.
Oh, you don't see. I'm typing here, then you can see. Okay, right? Let me see if I can make it big.
I can see it.
Yeah, I can see it now, but I wasn't able to see it previously.
See this one. It's too much.
Okay. It's in the bottom near the tangent.
See this is the block of this else. Okay. From indentation, you need to understand. It means if this one will execute, then this whole else will not execute. Is it visible? No. Highlighter should be there. Like, is it
Sir,
visible?
I think you need to explain this on a whiteboard or a paper.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. How to explain here? Like, I'm checking which pointer should be visible to you.
Come to Burnaby.
Sir, it's visible.
Oh yeah, I need to visit someday to your house.
Yes.
Is it visible to you now? Cursor is visible?
Yes, sir.
Cursor is visible, but it's not moving.
It
No,
is
I'll move
moving.
then.
It is moving.
Your internet is slower. Can you see this now? This one is visible?
I
Yes,
can't see anything. I can only see the screen. I can't see your cursor.
it I think it's something wrong with his computer.
Can you do one thing? Let me share a screen. Okay, once again.
Wait, I can see I can see the cursor near the tangent at the bottom, not a tangent. It says that in there.
No, I'm moving here and there. Your screen is frozen. Okay. Let me reshare
Okay.
this. Yeah.
Navi?
Can you see my screen now?
Can you okay? No, sir. I think I'll leave and join.
Yeah, that's better. Ranvi, are you able to see that?
Pranav.
This is a good thing. This is a highlighter. No? Oh, it's not that one. Is because
This
this looks good. Crayon marker.
Okay, yes, sir. Now I can see.
No, I'll come to that. Wait, I'm just very close to select one of them. This is better, or I should take bigger one? This is very big. This is a
this
bit
is good.
small. This is better. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay? This one is visual.
Yes.
No, like I don't see answer from everyone. This is
Is
quite.
Pranavi even here? She's not even talking.
She's on mute.
Okay.
She can
I
see
think
that.
she has some problem with the computer.
What? No, she put a thumbs up. Sir, that's too much.
No, she mostly has like a problem with the computer.
Oh, this is better. Now I guess you must be good on this. Oh,
It's too thick again.
This is better. Okay. This is visible also, right?
Yeah.
What I was telling you, if this condition is true, then this line will execute.
Mhm.
But suppose that this condition is false. Okay. Then this part will be checked, because if this is false, then else part will be checked. Okay. Then if this is false, your point, you can say the control.
Wait. Can you go from the start?
Yeah, sure. I'm telling this one is true. This first if line
Okay.
is true, then print will run, but else will not run.
Okay.
So, but suppose that this is false, then this one will not run, right?
Okay.
It is
Okay.
false, then it will come here,
Okay.
else. But within else, again, we are putting one if here. So so you mean I was before that I was telling you this if is true, then this line is the block of if. This is called if block. If that condition is false, then this whole else block will run. So this is the else block. Else block. Okay. So if that is false, it will come inside else. But inside the else again, we have one condition. If this one is assume false, again we are assuming this one is false, then this one will not be executed. Okay.
So wait.
Again it will come here, else. False, false. Are you writing something?
Oh,
I was just writing down a point. I guess we don't need it.
I'm seeing VS Code, if you can do the dry run, okay? That is the better way to understand and easier way.
Because I'm using VS Code, is that why?
No, it's not like that. Like I'm looking for, like, we used to have some ID will have facility to show from which line to which line it is running. And if that you can see there, then you don't have to be worried about.
I find Visual Studio very convenient.
Since we have used Visual Studio earlier, for
Yeah.
new people, it's very difficult to use initially.
No, sir, I started using VS Code like one day before our class. That's it.
Then should I tell you you are very talented?
No.
Like,
You should tell me the user face is just very simple.
no, it's
User
not.
interface.
It's not. It's simple. It's simple for you.
No, it doesn't show like that in here. It shows very differently. Okay, anyway. So now are you going to find a way to like show me which code is going to be executed first?
Yeah, I'm searching that one. Give me a second. Like, there is way to do that. If I'll if I cannot figure out today, then I'll come back again on this tomorrow. Because in other language we can find that one easily. In the what it should be. Okay.
Test by.
So let's see, run. Start debugging. Hi. debug. I want to see the cursor.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. I think Zoom will have some options for like to write when we are like presenting. It will be there in the control panel.
Yeah, usually I used to find that too. I can't see that now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
we'll use
used to
that.
be on left side of my screen.
Yeah, it should be there. I'll come to that. Wait. I'm looking for something. I'll add all breakpoints. What a sound I get from your side. See here. I need to check very simple values, but let me see. I'll press F5. See, can you see the control? Movement of control. Like this you have to do.
Yes, sir.
Again, I will run. And I'll enter 5. See, control. Can you see this is the control? Okay. Then I'll go and run and press control without debugging, stop debugging, restart debugging. A step over. Okay, F10 I have to a step into, a step over, a step out, continue. So I need to press F10, F9, 10. See, like this you have to press F10. You need to put some control here and see how this control is going.
Oh, that's how you do it. I used to see that too. Red dots.
So first time I have to run through using F5. I'll run F5. F5 means what will happen? I put one here, a breakpoint here. So it means what will happen? All run code will run up to here, and then it is asking some input. I'll give 5 as input, and see. Now I'll press F10. See, did you get the how control is going? Did you look at? Let me put a control here, and then I'll run F5. Okay. Now I'll run F10. See. Okay, it is waiting here. F10, 5. And then again F10. See, like this you can check control. Did you understand or not? You can tell me bluntly, you can tell, no problem.
No.
Sir, maybe use true or false instead of those values. It would be easier to understand.
Yeah, that one also we can go ahead with that. But see, I wanted to learn like how I'm doing this. I just put one control breakpoint here. You can go here, right click and something like enable add breakpoint. Okay. Then go to run and start debugging. So what will happen? You see, here is the control. You can see this color of this line is changed. And then I will press F10. See. So here it will take input. I will go here, I'll give some input 5. Then again I'll run F10. Then it is checking condition. which is false, then it is going in else. It is checking this condition. It will be true. Then it will, it is false here. Like it might be like false. That condition is false. Because that condition is false, it came here. And then again, this condition is false. Then it ran here. So like this, we can practice. And what she is telling,
I do
Pranavi,
not.
let us practice here. If true. Let's see. Process, did you understand how I'm running? That one I'm telling you first. Then we'll come into the
No,
logic.
I think it's going to be different.
What different?
No, I'm trying, it's not working. Can I share my screen?
No, you should understand here, then I'll come to that. Wait.
Okay.
I'll make you do that. That's not a problem. At first, you understand here what I'm telling you, okay?
So how do you do that?
Okay. So what I have done here, this is true, then what will happen? This will be printed, that's all. It will not go inside this if, this else. Because this line, what you see the line from here to here, line number 3 to 13, it shows that from here to here is the part of this else block. So if this one is true, none of these line will run. If this line is, if this condition is true, if this will, line number 2 will execute, rest of them will not execute. Because this all rest of the lines are part of else. Did you understand one line or not? This line.
Yeah, that part I understood.
You understood, right? Now I'll make it false. If this is false, then what will happen? This will not execute. It will come inside this else. Then at first this one will be printed. Else one part is true. It will print and then it will check this condition is true. Now I can take this one there and I can run there. So this, so if this is false, then this will run. And then because all this is part of this else, then this if will also be checked. This if is the part of this else itself. Whatever you see from here, no, like this line, from here to here, these are part of else, this else.
Yeah, you mentioned else block.
Yeah, that is called else block. So in this case, if I'm making false, we expect this will be printed and then it will check true. Then this one will also be printed. And because if part is true here, then this else part will not run. So we'll get only 2 line of output. Let us see this. Let us create all the possible combinations here. If I'll make it true, what will be the output of this?
The first one will print and that's it.
Yeah, that is what. This is case 1.
So what if the second if is false?
I'll come to that one also. The case 2. I'll make it all possible cases here. Case
How many
3.
cases will be there? There's a lot, right?
As many you have, as many conditions you have, that many. Case 3, what will happen? This will be false. Then what will happen? This will run and this
Wait,
will
no, you
print.
missed case 2.
Case 2 is here.
Case 2, no, yeah, it's there, but we didn't discuss.
I'll put one. See, in this case 1, I kept one true here. Okay. So it means it will execute. None of them will none of rest of them will not execute. Okay.
Okay.
In this, what I did, false. Once again, true. This is the case 1 T. Okay, yeah, correct. In case 2, this is false. So in this case, 2 will be printed. These 2. Case 3, I'll make it. This 2 was there, so then I'll make it this one as false. Then what will happen? In this case, see the output. This will not be printed, but this one will be printed because this is false, right? So if it will not be printed, this is true, else will be true. So this one will be printed. Now it will check false. Then it will not print. It will come to else part. Then this one will be printed. And then again it will check true. Then this one will be printed. So 3 line will be printed. Okay. Now I will make case 4. Yeah, Janya, ask me.
So, sir, there was an else after the true. What about that?
This which one?
The
Line-
last one. The last.
This one?
Yes.
See, this is the case 4, what you are asking.
No, for the last case.
Yeah, this is case 4. What will happen? This false, this one is false, this one is also false, then this one will be executed. See here. See.
For the last case, the last one, the case 3, I think.
Yeah, this is case 4 actually.
And I was talking about the case 3.
Okay.
Why
tell
is
me.
the else in the end, the last else, not printed?
This one?
Yes, sir.
See, because this is true, right? So if will execute, but this else will not execute.
Oh, okay.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Any if is executed, then else will not execute. Randeep, did you get this? These are the 4 conditions I was talking about.
So there's one second, sir.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2,
I'll start from here again. Is this clear? Because first, if it's true, then none of them will execute. And that
Yeah.
is what it happened. See, because if is executed, none of this else will execute. That's all.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, next.
Next, if this is false, then part of else this part will run. So in this
No,
part,
but one second, sir. So if this is false, else will run, and then it will not print else one part is true. It
it
will
will
not
print
that.
because
print?
this is part of else. See, this is in C, it was very easier like that, like it was easier to understand in that way. In C language or C++ or Java, we do like this, or C sharp. So this clearly indicates if is true. In C, now you like write like this. Here Python has some indentation thing. So if in C you C, C++, Java, C sharp, multiple language allows like this. What it indicates, if is false, then body of else will run. And because this print is body of else, at first this line will run, then it will check again, then this line will run.
Okay.
From
No.
this you can easily understand.
No.
You
I
don't
didn't.
understand.
No.
See, why you are confused, I can understand. Because I put extra print there, so that's why you are getting confused. But that is a part of if. I can put multiple conditions here. Suppose that I can print something like this, equal to 5, y equal to 3, print x plus y equal
Equals
to,
8.
comma, x plus y. Then what? It means what? All lines are part of else. So within this else, this is the first line, this will execute. then this one will execute, then this one will execute, then this one will execute, then it will come here. And now this is true also, then it will also print. So let us see this. See? So what it is telling? Because first one is false, that's fine. Then this one is executed, then these two are executed, then this one is executed, and then because it is true, then this one is also executed. That's all. Did you understand?
Somewhat.
Yes, sir.
If I'll see here, I'll show you this one again in the Visual Studio Code. How does it
So
look like?
can you show with a code example, like a practical code example?
See, for that case, we'll take some example. Maybe marks we can check first division, second division, third division, and we'll check that one. But process will be same. Like see, currently, oh sorry, I'll put here this one. See, what I'll do, I'll put one breakpoints here. I added a breakpoints. Click to add a breakpoint. Okay. Now I'll go to run. Click on start debugging. I'll select Python debugger, and now you can see this is the control. Okay, interpreter control. Now I will press F10. So where this control will go, because this is false, it will come here.
Yeah,
Now,
that okay. Yeah, like this is good. Yeah.
see. Can you see? Now see again. Observe this. See the how. This is the call. This is the call control, and this is called dry run. See, it has executed. It has printed output also. You can see the output also. It is happening right below.
Okay. But if it's true, it should stop, right? No?
No, now it is true. Then this one will execute, and then this all will not execute.
Okay.
Then again I'll press F10. See, that's all.
Wait, how do I do this in my thing? Can I screen share?
Yeah, now you can share and you can try this code on your computer. Pranavi, I guess you are good at this, right? You can understand what is happening.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain to them now?
Okay.
Wait, no, let me share my screen first.
I can explain it from your screen itself. It's fine.
Yeah.
No, let me learn how to
Well,
first do
you
the
are
thing. So
class
anyways,
monitor now, class representative.
class monitor. Dead ass. Okay, where do I put the thing? Where do I put the break?
I
Maybe
don't, I'm not able to send this one to all of you. I don't know why.
Sir,
Why?
where do I put the break?
Wait, hold. Line.
you did not give any like constant values. Give constant values instead of like input.
Yeah, otherwise keep giving input here. Don't do this. Like you can do this, but it will do at first. Do one thing. You can do this in this one also. At first, yeah, click add one breakpoint at the line number 1. Go to the left side. Yeah, click there. Yes. Click to it. Thus now you run through F10 or F5.
F10, F5.
First time you press F5. That's correct.
Okay.
Don't do this anything. Press F5. Yeah. Press F5. Come on. What are you doing in the next? And the next time you're typing something, I don't know why. Run and debug, select Python debugger, Python file. Yeah. Now, see. So now it will ask you, press F10 now, F10. So it will ask you, F10, did you press? I cannot hear you. I
We
cannot
cannot
hear
hear
you.
you.
Sir, F10 is the mute button, and it's not going to do it that way. I think I have to press this.
F10 is convert button. Then no, in that case, you check in the menu, go to your menu bar and see the shortcut. What shortcut is working here? It will show you the shortcut somewhere.
How do I do that? Where's the menu bar?
1 second. Wait.
Oh, crap.
Over at the pause button and you'll find it.
No, don't do that. Wait. This is. On the top right, 3 columns is there. Can you check that one? We can Google also how to do that. No, not on the top right. Top right, 3 dots are there. What is this? So opened editors.
Do I click that?
Some options should be there to see the menu bar. Can you press Alt? Like I don't know MacBook, so that's
It
problem.
doesn't have alt.
Yandeep, can you hover over the run button, like your usual one? Okay, just don't tap anything. Run Python.
That's pretty much it.
Uh,
Wait, let
what
me check.
about the
Google
before
it.
one?
How to use debug into VS Code on MacBook. I'll stop recording the things because certainly these things will be recorded.